So good morning. Yep, this is Carla, and I wanted to show you a project that we have been working on here at our house, and it's been going on now for about a month. We're no ways near done, but we're about halfway done. So let me show you our trailer. And here it is in the driveway. I hope you can see it because the sun is shining right in my face. So here's our trailer. And it's a 2008 trailer. So let's go inside. All right, so now we're inside, and this is what the cabinetry, don't look at the mess because understand we're ripping the guts out of this thing. Here's what the cabinetry looked like before. And they're not in bad shape. I mean, they're in really good shape, but dark. The whole trailer had this kind of cabinetry. And here's the typical trailer headers and blinds for your rooms, wallpaper. Now, what you can't see really good in this, I'll see if I can show you, but in the wallpaper, like right up there, you can see the bubble. It was like that nearly everywhere in the trailer. And so we knew that we had to do something pretty soon because the wallpaper was coming off the walls. So here's some of our junk. This is the dinette backing, the back seat of the dinette. And this is the bunk mattress and then the cover of the big queen size that we have back here in the master. So over here is what we've done. And we're not, as you can see, we're not done because look at the couch. Okay, so we took down the headers, painted all the cabinetry, and took down the knobs and all of that and spray painted it black. So, and then I love this color right here. Is that not beautiful? And here's our new backsplash. And believe it or not, that is Peel and Stick from Amazon. Gorgeous. And the refrigerator, we painted that too. It had a wood looking front on it. I don't know if it's real wood or not, but so be it. Here's the back bathroom part. And so everything was painted. And the bathroom, we added new shower curtain and a cabinet. We didn't have a cabinet back here. So that gives us a wall place to put towels. And again, fixtures and things in black. And there's the old flooring. More old flooring that Todd put in a while ago. So this is where we are. We've taken out the new wallpaper. Looks like shiplap. Yes, it's wallpaper. We got it from Target. Target. I know. It's like $35 a roll, but I think it's worth it. We've about killed ourselves trying to get this part up. Now, this is where the dinette used to be, and it's not coming back. I mean, every day we change our mind, but today it's not coming back. And we're going to do something from IKEA in here that will give us a little more space. Little coffee bars going right there. That'll be all wallpapered. Everything else is going to be wallpapered down that wall. And right here behind the couch. Not sure yet what's going to happen to the couch, but it obviously has to be reupholstered. So stay tuned. This is our Tango. Okay, bye.